This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn GW basic programming language. First of all, I would like to introduce you a little bit about this language. The basic language was developed by John Kameny and Thomas Kurtz in 1963 at Dartmouth College, USA. It was invented as an instructional tool to teach fundamental programming concepts to students. It was developed to address the complexity issues of older languages. GW Basic is an interpreter for basic, beginners, all-purpose symbolic instruction code language. There are many other translators, compilers, and interpreters for basic from different vendors such as QBasic, QuickBasic, which provides a menu-driven environment to write and execute basic programs. Here we shall refer to only GW Basic because it provides a simple and easy to use environment. There are basically two modes of operation, and GW Basic can operate in two modes, that is direct mode and indirect mode. When GW Basic is loaded, it shows OK message. So you can see, viewers, that we have this PC Basic version 1.2.1.4. Actually, the previous compiler of GW Basic was known as GW Basic and was available for Windows XP, but after Windows 7 and so on and so forth till Windows 10 and 11, you cannot use GW Basic compiler. So for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 and so on and so forth Windows, you need to install PC Basic 1.2.14 version, which is easily available on Google. So when you install the PC Basic, you can see this layout. This is the interface of the PC Basic, and when you install it, you can see the OK message, which I have just discussed before. So when you see OK message at this stage, it is called the direct mode. So I have just told you there are basically two modes in the GW Basic operators. The one is called direct mode and the other one is called the indirect mode. So the direct mode is actually identified by this OK message. So when I type CLS, like I would like to type CLS, which is used to clear the contents of the screen, then viewers, you can still see the OK message. It means that we are in the direct mode. So I'm going to define the direct mode. First of all, we should know about the direct mode. In GW Basic, commands are executed as they are typed. Errors of arithmetic and logical operations can be displayed immediately, but the commands themselves are lost after execution. This mode is useful for debugging and for quick computations that do not require a complete program. So here in this case, if we type the reserved statement print, which is used to display some values on the screen after the compilation process, so we will type print and we'll type like 100 divided by 5. So the result of this division process will show is 5 into 20 is equal to 100. So here you can see that 20 is the answer, and you can see on the screen. So this is called the direct mode, where you can easily type the commands, the statements, and you need to know the result live on the screen. So this type of programs do not need to save in computer hard disk, and they can be just typed and can be executed, and it is basically used to see the arithmetic and logical operations. So if again, if I type CLS, which is this command which is used to clear the contents of the screen, and we type print and do like 20 plus 30, then the answer will be 50. So the basic arithmetic and logical operations can be performed in the direct mode, and this mode is useful for debugging and for quick computations that do not require a complete program. Like if I want to show some message on the screen like if I want to say welcome to GW Basic, then the same message will appear as an output, like welcome to the GW Basic. The same, this is basically the input I have given to the computer to process it and to compile it, and after compiling, the output of the program is welcome to GW Basic. So this is a simple program, and such types of programs can be typed in direct mode. So the other mode which we want to discuss today is the indirect mode. So first we should learn the definition of it. The indirect mode is used to type programs. Program statements are always preceded by line numbers and are stored in memory. The program loaded in memory is executed by entering the run command. So viewers, you have just noticed that in the direct mode we don't need to type any line number, and we just type the command, like we have type print and then can type 50 minus 20 and just press the enter key. So we don't need to type the line numbers like unlike the indirect mode. Indirect mode we don't need to type the line numbers and just type the statements and commands and just press the enter key. So you can see the total, the subtraction has been done, performed, and the result can be seen on the screen. But in direct mode, viewers, we just always need to put the line number before these statements, and the programs should be stored in the memory, and then the program must be loaded in the memory, and then it can be executed by typing the run command. For example, I'm going to give an example of the indirect mode program. So first I will type the line number 10 and will type print 100 over 20 and in the line. Okay, now this should be noticed that the first line of a GW Basic programming line should start with the line number 10, and the next should be the line number 20. Like we can give the difference of, we can increase the line numbers by the difference of 10, like the next line number will be 30 and then next the line should be 40. Likewise, you can give as much lines as much according depending upon the program requirement. We can increase the line numbers always on our indirect mode program. So first we will type print and we will type 100 divided by 20, and then we will type. So viewers, you have seen, just I press the enter key, and you can see that in direct mode we after pressing the enter key, we can see the output of the program right away. But in this case, since we have given the line number before the command print, so now the program which I'm going to type over here is operated under indirect mode. So I will type line number 20, which is the next line number, and here I will type print welcome to GW Basic, and then press the enter key, and then we'll type next line number, which will be 30. So we just notice that we have increasing the line numbers by giving a margin of 10. So the first line number is 10, and then the next is 20, and then last one is 30. So I'm going to type end, which is used and show that the program, this is the last line of the program. So we'll press enter key, and here viewers, we need to run this program. So for this purpose I will type run. This is the one way, and you can see the first line shows the first command which has been executed, and the answer is 5. 20 to 5 is equal to 100, and the second line was used to show the message on the screen, welcome to GW Basics. So you can see that in indirect mode the programs are executed line by line. The other way is to press the F2 key, since you can see that here are some numeric digits, and with that numeric numbers you can see the commands like list, run, load, save, continuous, LPT1 tear on, tear off, and key and screen. So here we want to use the run command. We want to use it, then we can press the F2 key as well. So F2 key, or you can type run, both have the same meaning and both are used to execute the program, and is used to display the output of the program on the screen. Like now I'm pressing F2, I'm not typing run, so it performs the same function which is performed by the command run. So viewers, today in this video we have learned two parts of operation of GW basic programming language. One was the direct mode, and the other one is the direct mode. So I think that you find this video helpful for learning GW basic modes of operations. And that's all, and thanks for watching.